kami sa movie. Na ginagawa namin.
I'm speechless. Joining the bandwagon lang. Anyway, to PMPC Star Awards, maraming salamat po for this recognition. And first time kong makadalaw dito. And nabigyan naman ng magandang regalo.
Wow.
So thank you PMPC.
Thank you, PMPC. Thank you. Ano daw, pinag-talk daw tayo? Hindi, yung picture daw.
Congratulations once again. Alam mo, Gladys, okay lang.